Johnny Durnell Real Estate here, bringing you a first-person look at this $4.3 million luxury home in Bryn Mawr, PA, one of Philadelphia's wealthiest towns, and this home did not disappoint. Featuring 8,100 total livable square feet, soaring ceilings, custom built-ins, white oak floors, custom wine wall, high-end appliances, walkout finished basement with a home gym, outdoor entertaining, outdoor dining, 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a 3-car garage. This house has it all. Let's pop in and take a look. Entering into your grand foyer, soaring ceiling heights with tons of natural light. To your right, you have a guest bedroom on the first floor, black steel framed windows into your bathroom with a walk-in shower, and you have a walk-in closet. Down the hall to your right, you have a massive office with custom built-in shelving. These are steel black framed glass sliding doors. Into your powder room. Moving into your formal dining room. Great for holiday parties, family gatherings. And you have a butler's pantry, white quartz countertops, and a mini bar. Into the showstopper. This is your large kitchen breakfast nook with custom built-in bench, massive center island black quartz, your sub-zero fridge, and all high-end appliances in this property. You have a Wolf double oven with a massive range just above. Into your great room, custom built-in shelving. Just a massive, massive room to entertain. You have a gas fireplace. And you have another bar. Here's your wine wall, glass wine wall, very, very nice touch. Into your mudroom, custom built-ins, and your laundry room. Into another powder room. And here's your 3-car garage. Tons of space. This house just delivers everything. We're gonna head out into your outdoor entertaining area. You have over an acre of land outside. Outdoor fireplace. And this overlooks your walkout finished basement. We're going to head back indoors. And we're going to go down to the finished basement area. Just tons of space. Into another bedroom. Closets, and you have another bathroom with a walk-in shower. and this is where you'll entertain. So plenty of room to entertain your guests. You also have a bar. With 2 beverage refrigerators. And here's a secret little room back here to house all of your beverages. And just thought that this was a really nice touch that the builder put in down here. And you have your glass sliders that will walk you out to the exterior of the property. And you have your own private gym. Just a very, very nice home gym with a water machine, and just a beautiful house overall. To the second floor of the home into another bedroom. And here's your loft. Another place to entertain or just to relax and unwind. Overlooks your great room and your kitchen. Just down the hall you have another full bathroom. Now this bathroom connects into another bedroom. And all of these bedrooms are very spacious. They all have walk-in closets. So you have a nice walk-in closet here. Another really cool feature is that you have a second floor laundry area. In that laundry area as well is your mechanical space. And this is the beautiful primary suite. Floor to ceiling black steel glass frame windows. And then you have a massive walk-in closet. This walk-in closet is actually the size of a bedroom. This entire primary suite is larger than most apartments that I have been in. Then into your primary bath, double vanity, large soaking tub, and then your massive walk-in shower with custom built-in bench and dual shower heads. It's very, very nice. You can see that the detail was put into this property. And then you have your toilet area, pocket door, so very nice, large and spacious primary suite. Just across the bridge you have another large bedroom, floor to ceiling black steel frame windows, and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. And you have through this door your walk-in closet. Very nice home here in Bryn Mawr, PA, one of Philadelphia's most wealthiest towns. If you are interested in this property, please feel free to reach out to me. I can get you a private tour. Please have your pre-approval ready. And if you're a cash buyer, please have your proof of funds ready. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.